All right, on to mission 12. So we rolled for weather, got light clouds. To our mission card, cap at combat patrol at Gumrak. So only rolls of 9 or greater apply outside of the approaches and the cauldron. In those areas, it's normal. So I've got 6 aircraft. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my ace and my gondola veteran. I'm going to have them line up as a pilot and a wingman. And then I'll take my 2 veterans. That leaves me an ace in reserve in case everyone doesn't make it for the next mission. All right, so off we go. I'm going to go here. 4, nothing. 2, nothing. Into the approaches. Oops. 4, nothing, 2, nothing, 9. So 9 is going to be something. It's going to be a event card. Any wingman lose formation, fly as an individual. All right, so we lose our wingman. Into the approaches. 7. That's going to be a flight event. Roll on B2. 1. Potential weather change. This could be a disaster. 1. Okay, the weather has changed. So we got to roll here, see what's going to happen. 5. Stays light clouds. That's good. Here. 8. Flight event. 5 on the approaches. Blockade runners. Perfect. Roll on C12 for blockade runners. 1. 1 JU-52. So this JU-52 is considered to be carrying supplies, so we can get points for him if he can land. But we're going to go here. So this is only a 9 or greater. 1, nothing. Now we're going to go in, and I'm just going to check a few things here. All right, so we roll for flak first, and we roll for each group. So we roll for our fighters first. We get a -1 because of the light clouds. So our fighters, 5, 4 is a miss. And we roll for our bomber transport. 1, so 0, that's a miss. So the flak did nothing. Now we roll for an event. 2 in the cauldron. Nothing. All right. So we're overhead Gumrak. And once we get over, we roll on C2 to determine the enemy flight. 2. 1d3 plus 1 fighters and 1d3 plus 2 IL-2s. All right, I'll set that up and we'll be right back. So we drew our fighters, and we got an ace and 4 others, and we got a wingman combination of 2 experienced pilots. And we got our 3 IL-2s. So the IL-2s are going to be attacking the airfield. So we were escorting, and we had an ace. They're escorting, they had an ace, so there was no advantage on the rolling to see if there's surprise. And we rolled for no surprise for either side. So we start out, we have 3 IL-2s. 1, 2, 3 plus 1 fighters and 1, 2, 3 plus 2 IL-2s. All right, I'll set that up and we'll be right back. So we drew our fighters, and we got an ace and 4 others, and we got a wingman combination of 2 experienced pilots. And we got our 3 IL-2s. So the IL-2s are going to be attacking the airfield. So we had the freedom of action. And I think he is going to use this in my sights card. Roll 1 attack was +3 or 2 attacks. I think that my ace, who's been unsuccessful, has turned things around. So we're going to take 2 attacks. 12, 2 hits. Using a B. So 2 and 3 is 5. So he rolls against a 5. 4. Flipped him. Second attack. 10. 2 hits. Using a B. Boy, it would be amazing if we took out the enemy ace to start combat. 3 and 2 is 5. 5 and 5 is 10. Rolling against a 10. Got him. All right, roll to see if he bails out. 4, yes. Does he escape? Would really... Oh, he escaped. Man, would have been great to get those 5 points. But getting him off the board is great. So now this IL-2 doesn't have a tail gunner, but he's going to go after the airfield. I got to protect my bomber, so we're going to go here. Go after the fighter. 10, 2 hits. Using a B. 2 and 3 is 5. Roll against a 5. 8, he's good, but we still did some damage to him. So he's done. And he's going to be done because this fighter is going to bypass everyone to go after the supply carrier. Oh, 2 hits using a B. Dang it. Two and 3, 5. Roll against a 5. Failed. All right, so he is going to attack the airfield. At light clouds is -1. So 7, 4, and 3. So 7 becomes a 6. 1 level C hit. Two, subtract 1, so it's 1. So he rolls against a 1. 8, he's fine. So he attacks the airfield at a -1. 8, 2 hits. So 4 damage to the airfield. That's bad. And he's done. All right. He's coming after this yak. Miss. He's done. He's going after the yak as well. 1. He misses. He's done. He's done. He's coming after my guy. 9. 2 hits. So he's shot down. And he was carrying supplies. So that's terrible. And he's done. And they're all done. Or no, they're not all done. The fighters are done. The fighters aren't going to attack. So he's coming against the airfield. -1. Nothing, nothing, nothing. 6, 5 is a miss. He's done. He's coming against the airfield. So 5, 5. All misses. Miss. All right. Round 2. That was good and bad, I suppose. So we'll go for that guy. Mostly bad, because losing that aircraft with the supplies was terrible. Rolling for the IL-2s first. 5. 13. Blue will be the pair with the wingman. 11. And 9. And this guy. 8 and 5. 13. All right. All for my ace. 7, 8, 15. Experienced guy. 10. That's awful. 17. Oh, 8. That is really bad. All right, so we got freedom of action to go after anyone. But we got to get this guy. He's the most dangerous on the board. Don't have any really good. 8, 2 hits. He's going to be. I've got this next veteran pot to score a victory becomes an ace, so that would be great. 3, 5. Roll against a 5. Come on, flip him. Nope. He's done. Ace is going after him. 10, 2 hits. He's going to be 2, 4, 9. Dang it. Roll against the 9. 2, he's flipped. But he's not shot down. Still in the fight. He's done. So he was going to go after my fighter here. Miss. He's done. He's coming after the airfield. -1. 6 and a 5. Little C hit. Two becomes a 1. Roll against a 1. Oh! Flipped! Draw another C. One, so it's a 2. Roll against a 2. He's fine. He attacks back. 1, miss. These guys coming after my fighter. 7, 1 hit. He's in a B. 2. Roll against a 2. 7, he's fine. These guys are done. Alright, it would be great if we could get this guy. Miss. He's coming after me. 2, he missed. Alright. So this guy doesn't have a tail gunner, so we're coming after him. I mean, I could do a barrel roll. No, I can't. That's a IL-2. Can't do that. Alright. Miss. Alright, this guy's coming here. -1. Ooh. 7, 7, 5. A level B and a level B. Ooh, took out the gunner. 1 and 3. This one we reduce 1, so that's 1. And the second one you don't, so that's 4. And we took out the tail gunner. Or the dorsal gunner. And he's rolling against a 4. And he flips. And he returns the attack. 1, he missed. So that was excellent. And the last guy. 5 and a 6. 5 is nothing. A 6 is a level C, which is 1, so it's a 2 now. And he's rolling against a 2. He's fine. He attacks. -1. 4, miss. All right, round 3. Let's put our IL-2s in place. 5 and 3 is 8. 4 and 2 is 6. Got another IL-2 here. Oops. Ooh, 1 and 2 is 3. That's actually bad for us. Roll for their fighter. 5 and 4 is 9. And they've got 2 8s left. The blue will be the wingman. So 4 and 5 is 9. And 5 and 5 is 10. All right, my guys, I'll start with the ace. 11, 19. Got our undamaged. 9 and 8 is 17. Our damaged. Oops. 8, 15. And our 15. Wow, we rolled well that time. All right, our ace has freedom of action. So I'm going to leave these guys to the flak and hope the flak takes them out. So our ace, actually this guy's not going to. Let's try to damage this guy for the flak. 11, 2 hits, using a B. First one is -1, so 2 is 1, and the tail gunner 2, so total of 3, 5, plus the casualty, which is nice. So he's rolling against a 5. 4, he flips. Oh, he doesn't have a tail gunner. But he still flips. And he does not fire back then. Alright, so he's coming here. 5, miss. And he's done. And he's coming here. 10, 2 hits. Using an A. 3, 8. He's shot down. He becomes an ace. Using our got him card. So we'll remember that. He's shot down. So now we roll for his bailout. He bails out and evasion. And he's captured. So that's good for us. 1 point. Alright. He's coming after this guy. Miss. Alright. So this fighter is done. Because he's not going to attack the airfield. These guys are not going to attack the airfield. Oh, wait. This fighter is going to attack my ace. That's the danger of bypassing everyone. 9. So he's on his flip side, so 1 B hit. 2. Roll against a 2. 7, he's fine. He's coming after him. 6. Dang it. 1 B hit. 3. So it's a 5. Roll against a 5. 11. He's fine. Alright, so he's done. He's done with 5 damage. He's going after the airfield. So 3. 8, so a 7. Comes a level B hit. -1 on the first one, so B3, 2, it's a 7. Roll against a 7. 4, he shot down. So roll for evasion, or for bailing out. He bails out. Does he evade? Yes, darn it. Those extra points are huge. Alright, He's coming against the airfield. And we get a B level hit. Three minus 1 is 2, 6. So he's shot down. No extra points for a green pilot. And this last final 2. Seven is a 6. 1 level C, which is going to be a 1 no matter what we do. Oh, but it gets the tail gunner, or the dorsal gunner, for the extra point. So this becomes a 3. Roll against a 3. 1. Shot down. All right. So we roll for evasion, or for bailout. He bails out. Does he evade? Yes, darn it. All right, that is the end of combat. So I'll be back to calculate mission points. So let's tally up our mission points. So -4 for the bomber supply, and then -3 for the supplies he was carrying. So that's -7. And then 4 damage on the airfield. That's -11. So we get 3, 6, 9, 11. So now we're even. We get 2 for this and 1 for the, so that's 3, and 1 for the damage, so 4. So we're at +4 mission points. I don't want to forget my ace, or my veteran got a victory, so he becomes an ace. And so we'll get all these out of the way. Gumrak Airfield now has 4 damage. We may or may not want to repair. So I think I am going to have this guy land five. So he lands safely. Everyone else is going to make their way back. I had him land because to lose an ace is a lot of negative points if things go poorly. So everyone else is going to head back this way. So we'll roll for an event. 5 in the cauldron. Roll for a flight event. Oh wait, I rolled the wrong dice. 3. Cauldron. Nothing. Alright, so now we're back to 1 through 9. 8. Nothing. We're going to go diagonal. 7, 8. Nothing. 2. Nothing. 6. Nothing. 1. Nothing. 7. Nothing. 3. Nothing. Now we just have to roll for everyone to land. I guess we could have took the ace with us, but it wasn't worth the risk. Oh, you know what? When I flew over here, I forgot to roll for flak. So we'll go ahead and just roll for the flak right now. Roll for the fighters. Oh, wait. Flak, you roll 1d8. 1, so it was a miss. All right. So we'll roll for our ace to land. 2. Anything but a 1. So he's safe. That's 8. 4. He's safe. And 10. He's safe. All right, so we got 4 mission points. So for 1 mission point, we are going to repair this aircraft for the guy that's returning. That brings us down to 3. We're going to buy 1 campaign point. That puts us at 2. We've got 2 dogfight cards, so we're going to draw another dogfight card, which is going to cost us a mission point. Sandwich, so we need a wingman for that one. That brings us to 1 mission point. And I think we'll draw another dogfight card and discard the one that we don't want. Sheepdog. I definitely want that one. So we'll get rid of the sandwich. All right. Draw a post-mission card. That takes us to 0. And we'll draw a post-mission card. Camaraderie. Draw pilot discussion over meals and drinks. Increases tactical insight. Draw 1 dogfight card. All right. So that's a good one. Draw an extra dogfight card. Oh, wait. That's sandwiches. I'll put that on top. To the rescue. So if someone crashes and evades, we can actually land to pick them up. So we'll see if it's worth the risk. All right, that's it for mission 6.